Namaskar दोस्तों. Today I am here with narration class 8 and worksheet 4. These are answers I am going to tell you step by step, one by one. Let us do worksheet 4. The teacher asked the students, "Have you understood the question?" Then the answer will be, the teacher asked the students if they have understood the question. Okay. Next, Ritu said to Rohit, "How will you complete the assignment in 2 days?" So Ritu asked Rohit how he would complete the assignment in 2 days. Third, the child asked mother, "Why don't the stars in the sky fall down?" The answer would be, the child asked mother why the stars didn't fall down in the sky. Okay, full stop. Question mark will not be there. In answer, only full stop will be there. Now next, fourth, Namita said to Aruna, "Which of the 2 saris is better?" The answer would be, Namita asked Aruna which of the 2 saris was better. Full stop. Now next, fifth, "Can you teach me French?" said Tisha to Suman. Answer would be, Tisha asked Suman if she could teach her French. Now sixth, the worried father said to his son, "Which train have you boarded? Have you checked your ticket number?" Answer would be, the worried father asked his son which train he had boarded and if he had checked his ticket number. Okay. The manager said to candidate, "What are your qualifications? In what way can you benefit our company?" The answer would be, the manager asked the candidate what his qualification was, what his qualification were, were, and in what way he could benefit their company, Next, Rimi said, "Monica, how did you like the state of Florida? If given a chance, would you like to go there again?" The answer would be, Rimi asked Monica how she had liked the state of Florida, and if given a chance, would she like to go there again? Okay. Next question. My mother asked me, "What happened to our hand?" What happened to your hand? Why is it bandaged? Did you fall from the bicycle? Does it hurt? The answer would be, my mother asked me what happened to my hand. My mother asked me what happened to my hand, why it was bandaged, full stop. If I had fallen from the bicycle and if that hurt, and if that hurt. So you can write like that. Here you write. Now question number 10. Rahul's friend asked him, where did you leave your job? Didn't they pay you well? Weren't you happy doing that job? Will you look for a new job now? The answer would be, Rahul's friend asked him why he had left his job. Why he had left his job. If they had not paid him well, if he had not been happy doing that job, and whether he would look for a new job then. So you can write as I am saying. Thank you for today.